The sound we're going to practice in this video is the sound O. Repeat after me. O. O. O in floor. Again, floor. Shore. Again, shore. More. Again, more. Core. Again, core. Four. Again, four. Bore. Again, bore. Sore. Again, sore. Tore. Again, tore. Wore. Again, wore. What other words has the middle sounds O? Now, let's practice phrases with the sounds. Ready? Curing sore throat. Again, curing sore throat. More doors to open. Again, more doors to open. 4 boys in the room. Again, 4 boys in the room. Beside the seashore. Again, beside the seashore. Mopping the floor. Again, mopping the floor. Now, let's practice sentences with the sounds. Ready? The egg has a core. Again, the egg has a core. I have 2 more apples. Again, I have 2 more apples. Let's sweep the floor. Again, let's sweep the floor. I have 4 oranges here. Again, I have 4 oranges here. Let's walk on the seashore. Again, let's walk on the seashore. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound O. Repeat after me. O. 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 I hope you enjoyed the practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.